Alright guys, we're walking into a new spot here. We're heading to a new stand. She's got some corn out here and the deer have been hitting it, so before we were hunting down on the edge of the cornfields down below, but now we're kind of back in the center, some brushy stuff of the property. So there's these mowed trails here, and the deer funnel up and down these. So it's a little bit late. It's a little bit after 5:30. It's a Wednesday afternoon. We're gonna try and slip in here and kill a deer tonight. Finally get our first one, so stick with us. It's gonna be a good night. Alright guys, so it's September 22nd. We just got set up. It is 6:04 in the afternoon. We have a strong northeast wind blowing right back out up the hill out of this bedding area. We've got a pile of corn down here. Melissa's been baiting the deer here, so we're hoping to catch these deer along funneling up and down these trails. We got a big storm front coming in, so we're hoping these deer are going to be on the move. Hopefully we see something tonight. Maybe even a buck, who knows. That was super fast. We're literally just getting set up, and Melissa said there's 3 deer right there. I think it was 2 fawns and a doe. Long story short, it was at 15 yards, and she shot for 20, and it looked like the arrow went right over her back. It's early still. I think there's a chance they might come back. It's a bummer. This is part of bow hunting, but I do feel really bad for her. Hopefully they'll be back. We're starting to lose daylight. Hopefully she'll step out in time.
Oh, guys, what a night. Got Missy here. Missy, come here. Oh, guys, what a night. What a night. Missy missed a doe, which is okay. It's all good and fun. But that buck was something else. That's our target buck for this property. We did not expect to see him there, so it was a little upsetting after Missy missed that doe and then that big buck came out. That was a hard pass, but here in New Jersey, the month of September, you need to shoot a doe to earn your buck tag. So like I said, I believe today's the 22nd. October, that's when you can kill a buck or a doe. So a little upsetting, but and that was a really good deer for New Jersey. You know, if I had to guess, he was probably 135 inch. I think would be a fair offer. If you guys go ahead and in the comment section down below, guess what his score was, what you guys think it was. Other than that, we're gonna kill a doe somewhere else, and we're gonna be back in that stand soon to kill that buck, right, Miss?
Yep.
What's some motivation for young hunters like you? Missy's not a young hunter. She's killed a couple deer with the gun, but we're trying to get her first deer with the bow. The whole thing about tonight was it was a mishap. We didn't have the rangefinder set up. We were not set up yet. She shot for 20 yards. It was really like 12, 15. But other than that, Missy, you have any advice for any young hunters out there?
No, I have good advice.
Okay, what's your advice?
My advice is that you have to have patience.
Good.
And that the patience will eventually pay off.
All right. Good. I'm glad you have your confidence. Other than that, we will see you guys later. Guys, subscribe. We got some bangers coming your way. Good goose hunting videos, everything. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you here shortly. Maybe with a big buck on the ground. See ya.